You might have tried to transfer photos from your Android cell phone to your computer. It's a bit of a complicated procedure, but once you see the steps, hopefully you would remember what to do. So the first thing is to start up your cell phone or tablet and go to the home screen, tap on Settings, and scroll down until you see something called About Phone. It's right down at the bottom of the phone options. We're also going to use developer options in a minute, so keep that in mind. It's just right above the About Phone. You tap the About Phone to get the next menu. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Build Number. That's also at the very bottom. Build Number. Okay. You want to tap on Build Number 7 times until it tells you you are a developer. Once you tap 7 times, you never have to do that again, and you are automatically a developer, and it'll tell you that every time. If you try to do it a second time, it'll say you are already a developer. Now exit out of that menu and go back to Developer Options. It's right above About Phone. Tap on Developer Options, and the next menu will have this option. It says Select USB Configuration, and you tap on that. I told you it wasn't that easy, but hopefully this is the next menu you would see, and it has these. Usually it's set on charging, but you have to change it to MTP, or Media Transfer Protocol. Once you do that, you can connect your cell phone to your PC or your Mac with a USB cable. And then you'll have to go back to the home screen on your cell phone or Android and swipe down with your finger at the top of the screen until you see all the notifications. Sometimes there's 30 of them. You can remove most of them by swiping them horizontally to the right or left. And at the very bottom of the notifications, you'll see this one important notification that says USB for charging or USB for file transfer. You have to tap on that particular option and make sure that the same item is highlighted. MTP, Media Transfer Protocol, is selected. Then your cell phone is set up to send the pictures to your computer. The next step, 16, says Open Windows Explorer on your taskbar. It's the yellow folder on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. I'm clicking on the yellow folder right now, and this is what we're going to see. Down on the left side of the screen, you'll see your cell phone or Android. Mine is XT1064. That's my Moto G cell phone. I will have to expand that by clicking on the little arrow to the left, and nothing happened because I didn't tap on the USB for charging option, and mine says charging, and I have to change it to MTP. And now you can see my cell phone has another folder called internal storage. I have to expand that. And when I expand it, I get another folder called DCIM. That's where your pictures are on your cell phone. I have to expand that, and I get another folder called camera. And finally, when I expand camera, or I click on camera, I finally get all the pictures in my gallery on my Android, all these family pictures. Now I can select whichever ones I want. Click on the first one, hold the shift key down, click on the last picture, and I'm just going to copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pictures, and I'm going to paste them in a folder on my desktop. So click my right mouse button, click copy. I'll shrink down this screen with the minus sign, and I'll shrink that down for now. And I'll find a folder on my desktop. I'll just put it in this folder called backup, just for the heck of it. Click my right mouse button and paste those 6 pictures. Here they come. Now that's about it. It was a bit complicated, but if you do this 6 or 7 times, you can watch the movie over again, and till you know how to do it, until it's second nature. It took me a while to catch on to this, but finally it works. I know that it works, and I've shown you that. Thanks for watching.